Hey guys, make sure you've watched part 1 before this one just so the vlog makes a little more sense. Girls, look at these pineapples. Oh my. What is my mother doing? Do it. Guys, look at this little itty bitty pineapple. It's so adorable. Okay, we need to go back. We need to go back.
That is a plant. Actually, it's a future plant. They're also judging it. So they're inspecting the pineapple. It has to meet their criteria when they pick it. Otherwise, as we like to say, it's an automatic rejection when we get to the pineapple. It just tasted different. These are really good pineapple. And feeding a different market for the pineapple today in the rest, but they are literally the people that can go to. So it's going to get washed. As the pineapple is being washed and brought into the build water, we wash it to kill the bugs. They use a combination of chlorine with water.
Hey girlies, so right now we're just at the stop. We're eating some pineapple for me. Oh my! Right now they're washing the pineapple. The mountain. Super aesthetic. If you guys didn't know, I'm known as the pineapple girl, so this is my home. But girl. Dangies! So it turns out these pineapples are free for everyone, so I'm taking it. Here's my free pineapple 8.
I also got one. Free pineapple.
Bruh.
Oh my, you're eating. Wait, let me see. Hey, look. These are so cute. It matches my outfit. Look at all those chickens, bro. They're so cute. Okay girls, first meal of the day. These are kind of like appetizers. So right here I got some fruit, so some pineapple, blueberry, and kiwi, and then I have whatever that is, and then some fresh cold water. And look at this view, guys. It's so aesthetic. And look at that rainbow. Come on. I took a picture earlier that showed like the whole, like half of it, and it was so cute. But when I finish this, they're gonna give us like the main course or whatever. Oh my, wait, let me see that. That's so pretty. Look at mine. Look at this. Thank you.
I found a better one.
Let me see. Show the vlog.
Vlog, mine's better.
Look at the mountains.
It's glucosing.
It's glucosing. Oh Nick. My. Look at that tree over there. You see that? .5. Girl, what? Oh, Nikki. There's a chicken on a tree. Is that even a chicken?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh my. Girls, so right now we've been hiking for about 2 miles. I don't even know where we're going, TBH, but we're right now at a little bathroom break. And yeah, we've been hiking for so long. I'm not that tired because this is pretty fun, but I'm a nature girl, so that's what I do. I'm worried for my mother because she's not much of a walker, but as you can see, these amazing views, we're just gonna see where the trail takes us. Girls, you're not ready for this view. Look at this. This hike has been pretty nice. Look at this. We're almost there, hopefully. Look at the view. Look at the view, bro. We got all that to climb, bro. It's so high. Look at this.
And this is my good luck seed.
Dude, it's so hot, but we're almost there. We're gonna get to like this really steep part, so I'll show y'all. This is so steep, way steeper than I thought. We're in this tunnel, and ain't no way, bruh. Look at this view though. But those stairs are deadly. My legs hurt. Just kidding. This gives me middle school stairs for cross country practice. My poor mother. Look at my father. This hike way harder than I thought.
Aloha.
I feel tired. I feel hungry. I want food.
Nice. I feel kind of just eat and I'm thirsty because we literally walked. Do you know how many miles? Oh my, almost 5 miles in 3.5 hours, bro.
Lleva la maleta.
Vamos, mis amores. Bruh. We're gonna catch up to them. You wanna prove them wrong?
No.
Yes, you do. My arm hurts.
We made it, guys.
Okay, girls, so we just finished the hike and we actually jogged down, which was really crazy. And my mother did too, right?
I did it.
Yes, and let's just say she's not much of a
Healthy queen.
Yeah, anyways, we did it. Now we're just gonna rest. Look at the view. Look at the view. How did you feel, Father?
Wonderful.